Turning now to that legal victory for Donald Trump. The Michigan Supreme Court declined to hear a case that sought to have the former president barred from the ballot in the upcoming primary. But it's just one of dozens of cases seeking to rule him ineligible to hold office due to his conduct on January 6. Our senior investigative correspondent Aaron Katersky tracking this for us. Good morning to you, Aaron.
And good morning to you, DeMarco. Challenges to former President Trump's eligibility to appear on ballots in dozens of states have added a bit of intrigue to a primary season. Now just over 2 weeks away, Trump is cheering the decision that keeps him on the ballot in Michigan, and he's attacking the different outcome in Colorado.
This morning, the Michigan Supreme Court is keeping Donald Trump on the state's primary ballot. A majority of the justices declined to hear a challenge to Trump's eligibility, writing, "We are not persuaded that the questions presented should be reviewed by this court." Instead, they let stand a lower court opinion that said in Michigan, who to place on the primary ballot is determined by the political parties.
Voters have the ultimate authority and should have the ultimate authority to decide with their power who should become president.
Trump said on social media the Michigan Supreme Court acted strongly and rightfully. He said the Colorado Supreme Court fell prey to the scheme. After ruling last week, Trump is ineligible based on his conduct January 6th and Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which disqualifies candidates who engage in insurrection after previously taking an oath to defend the Constitution.
This particular qualification challenge is a little more nuanced than a more simple cut and dried issue where the facts are clear in terms of a candidate's age or place of birth.
Overnight, the Colorado Republican Party asked the U.S. Supreme Court to overturn the state Supreme Court's ruling, knocking Trump off the ballot. Trump is still expected to file his own appeal, but the party argued the Colorado decision usurped the rights of the people to choose their elected officials. Challenges to Trump's ballot eligibility are pending in more than a dozen other states.
Trump is also facing criminal charges over January 6th in efforts to overturn the last election. And in that case, special counsel Jack Smith has asked a judge to restrict the arguments the defense can make at trial, saying Trump should not be allowed to inject into this case partisan political attacks that have no place in a jury trial.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.